Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to be doing a pantry clean out and a fridge clean out. So I'm going to clean everything out with the help of my husband. And then I'm going to reorganize everything and hopefully it'll look so much better. All right, so here we go. All right, so I'm going to start off with the pantry. So I'll show you what that looks like before and then I'll get into doing it. All right, so here it is. Yes, it's a hot mess. And this was only from like maybe a couple months when we did this last. And just never ends up staying like that. I do have a can organizer down here. But that's it. What I'm gonna do is take everything out and then I'll put it on the counter, get my bins out. I have some bins in there and I have some drawers also. Take everything out of those and then I'll start putting stuff back. Oh, and throwing stuff away. All right, so I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna leave the top shelf how it is because it's not that bad. And it's just like a crock pot up there and a rice cooker and some lunch boxes and stuff. So I'm gonna leave that up there like that. And then just start with the next shelf. I'm gonna clean it off. And I just found this. It's like basically an empty container. So I'm gonna throw that away. Like dinner kind of stuff up here on this top shelf. And then I have this Lazy Susan that I got on Amazon. I'm gonna put, well, it already has everything on it. I'm just gonna add like oils on it. And then the rest of this shelf, I'll do more like pastas, stuff like this, soups. And then the bottom will be all for snacks and cereal. All right, so I have a bunch of these little teeter baby food items. So I'm gonna take them all out of the container or the packaging, and I'm gonna put them in this container along with food and I guess just all the baby items. All right, so I think this next shelf, I'm gonna do cereal, breakfast, well, I guess all the breakfast items, cereal, baby items, formula. Okay, so I have all these clips. So I'm just gonna put these in here, call it a day. There you go. All right, so I have this container. It used to be like it held little bags of chips, So we don't really have that many little bags of chips right now, so it ended up just being a pile of big bags. So I'm gonna take that out and redo that. So my husband made this little snack holder. It's like this, and they're little clips. So we just hang out like either chip
Pantry
bags,
hack.
yeah, or little bags like this. So I'm gonna do that. So I have some in here. I'm gonna put these all on here so I can use these drawers for something else. Alright, so this is gonna be the random item container. Like vitamin. So I think for this top drawer, I have all the kids' snacks in here. These drawers right here, which applesauce. They're not really too bad because I already did them all. And candy, like I showed you. Granola bars. So since I cleaned out, stop it. Alright, so I'm just gonna save this bottom shelf off just for chips like this. Little millions of bags that we have. I'm probably gonna throw away some of these because they're old. Alright, so I'm gonna put all these little bags in this container I have. Just to keep them all together. Things like this. Alright guys, so this is what I came up with. It's not a lot different, but it's definitely more organized and I'm happy with it. So you saw I put all the baby items in there, formula, cereal, all that random stuff I was talking about. I got little bags of candies that don't close all the way, granola bars, more granola bars, just a bunch of snacks and candy, applesauce, peanut butter over there. And then I ended up putting the pasta down here, all the Ziploc bags, and then all the snacks, chips, little bags of that. And by the way, this is dog and cat food that we have in these containers, and then we have cans down there. All right, so that's it for the pantry, and now I'm gonna be moving on to the refrigerator. All right, now on to the fridge. This is before. There's a lot of random containers. And these bottom drawers definitely need to be cleaned out. Here is the doors of the fridge. All right, so we're gonna see what we can do with this. All right, so we're gonna start off with taking everything off the top shelf first and just go shelf by shelf. I'm gonna clean the shelves and then we'll do what's on the door. All right, so these are both the two shelves. This guy right here. Oh, don't forget to follow his channel or subscribe. I'll link it in my description box. He's helping me. So I've got the first one. I'm about to clean this next shelf, and then we'll get the top row back in there. Minus maybe some stuff that needs to be thrown away. All right, just went through this drawer.
Keys drawer.
It's not too bad. And getting these back in. Looks cleaner already. All right, this drawer's done. Getting some stuff back in. I do have some kind of organization in here. I got these drawers, same as the ones from the pantry from Amazon. All right, getting the drawer put back in. Looks clean already. I think the worst is gonna be these drawers. We usually have them separated with bread and then fruits and vegetables, but somehow they always end up all mixed up together again. All right, so we almost took everything out of this one. I'm gonna take this top thing off and wipe that whole thing down. Actually, probably wash it. All right, I just washed this. I'm gonna get it put back in. Being put back in there. In our ketchup and mild sauce bag. Take out this next. It's gonna fall. This probably has my hair. You can put back in, ooh, sun. Then on to the worst part of all, these drawers. What I have to throw away so far.
These are lucky.
All right, Brielle is helping, throwing out stuff that's rotten.
Nobody around this house eats fruit.
These apples.
Drawer number 1. As you can see, it's pretty bad. This is the produce drawer. Gonna get this washed. All right, getting this drawer put back in, nice and clean. So we're gonna make it like bread and produce again. Look how nice and pretty those are. Come closer, we just have this one, that shelf, and then that bottom drawer. You gonna help?
And then,
No, up on the counter. Thank you. Got everything out? Thank you.
Can I get it?
All right, just got all the bread back in. All right, there you go, all clean. It looks so much bigger too. The shelves, the bottom shelves, and the drawers. These are just some grapes. Produce drawer and the bread drawer. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this pantry / refrigerator organization and cleaning. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.